Hey loves, today I'm sharing how I maintain my knotless braids to keep them moisturized and neat. I start my maintenance routine by mixing conditioner and water, then spraying it directly onto my scalp to rehydrate and refresh my braids. Next, I apply my friend's homemade hair growth oil, followed by batana oil, gently massaging each one into the scalp. This helps stimulate growth, relieve dryness, and keep my braids looking fresh longer. Here's a quick recap of all 6 hairstyles, and that's my maintenance routine and 6 easy hairstyles for knotless braids. Thank you for watching. Bye loves.